In this tutorial, we'll discuss file handling ByteStreams. So as discussed earlier, stream is nothing but sequence of data. And there are two types of streams. One is ByteStream, the other one is character stream. In ByteStream, sequence of bits are read. In character stream, the Unicode characters are being read. So these are the two types of streams. And what are the advantages of streams? First of all, streams require no storage. A stream is not a data structure, but it is only a view of data source, which can be an array, a Java container, or an IO channel. A stream is functional in nature. Any modifications to a stream will not change the data sources. For example, filtering a stream does not delete the elements, but it generates a new stream that doesn't contain the filtered elements. Next is lazy execution. So operations on the stream will not be executed immediately. They will be executed only when the user really needs it. The elements of stream are only visited once during the life of a stream. Once traversed, it is just invalidated. And for the next time if you require, you have to regenerate a new stream. And we have two types of byte streams. One is input byte stream and output byte stream. In input stream, it is a flow of data items from source to the program, as you can see here. And the source can be keyboard, file on a disk, a physical device, another program, array, or a string in the same program. Output stream is a flow of data items from program to destination. So this destination can be console window, a file on disk, a physical device, another program, even an array or a string in the same program. Next, what is the hierarchy of classes? ByteStream. ByteStream is divided into two streams. One is input stream, output stream. Input stream is again further divided into these four subclasses: file input stream, byte array input stream, filter input stream, object input stream. So the filter input stream is again divided into two subclasses: buffered input stream, data input stream. The output stream is divided into file output stream, byte array output stream, filter output stream, which is again subdivided into data output stream and buffered output stream, as well as object output stream. Next, first we'll discuss file output stream class. File output stream class is extended from output stream, which is again extended from object. That means object is the superclass or parent class for all the stream objects. And these are the list of constructors that we have in file output stream. Next, this is the API. The methods consist of write byte array of B and write method with three parameters: byte array and offset as well as length. And the third one is consisting of an integer parameter. Now let's see an example where Java application, that means our program, is going to write an ASCII value of 65. So what is the ASCII value of 65? It is capital A. So this capital A is written into testout.txt. Let's see how to write this program using file output stream. So what is file output stream? It is an output stream used for writing data to a file. So if you have to write primitive values into a file, then use file output stream class. That means you can write both byte oriented as well as character oriented data through file output stream class. But for character oriented data, it is preferred to use file stream. So first of all, how to write? Now create an object of file output stream fout and initialize it to null. Then you link it to the external file textout.txt. Then you use the write with integer parameter. So the write method with integer parameter where the ASCII value 65 is being passed. Now let's close the file output stream. When this ASCII value is written, so what is being stored in the file? The ASCII value of 65, that is capital A, is stored in the file. Let's see the entire program. Import Java file out import Java io.FileOutputStream. Now class FileOutputStream example, and you start the main method, and in main method you write a try catch block. In the try block you write FileOutputStream fout equal to null, and then you link it with the external file, and then you write 65 ASCII value, and then you close, and then you print a message. Let's see how this program works in Eclipse. So now this is our Eclipse IDE, and I am there with FileOutputStream example, and we have written the entire program here. Let's compile this program. See, we have opened a file testout.txt and we are writing the value 65, and then the value is converted into A, capital A. Then success has to be printed. Now let's compile and run the program. So now I'm running it as Java application. So here testout.txt and success is there on the console. Now let me refresh this project. Once you refresh this, you can see the file. See, the testout.txt file has come into picture in the project. Now let's see what are the contents. The contents are capital A. As you can see that using FileOutputStream, we have written ASCII value of 65, that is capital A, into the file. Next, we'll see about FileInputStream. FileInputStream is extended from the parent class InputStream, which is again extended from the parent class object. And now these are the various constructors available in FileOutputStream. And next, we'll see the methods. The methods available are the read method, which is consisting of 3 different signatures. Let's see a simple example where from the file through Java application we are reading this value. So what is FileInputStream? FileInputStream is an input stream used for writing data from a file. What it obtains? It obtains input bytes from a file. As you can see here, this is a character value A, but when we read it, what we are getting? We are getting byte value, that is the integer value of A. So it is used for reading byte oriented data such as image data, audio, video, etc. You can also read character stream data, but for reading stream of characters it is recommended to use file reader class. Now how do we use this? First of all, we have to declare the object of FileInputStream, and then you link it to the external file testout.txt. Then read the byte of data from input stream. So fin dot read, which is stored in an integer. Next, print that I. So I gives you integer value. If you want this character value, then you have to typecast it to char, and then close the file input stream. Let's see the complete example. So you start with data stream example, and then you write the main method try catch block. So in the try block, you write file input stream fin equal to new file input stream. That means we are linking the file input stream to the external file testout.txt. And then you are using the read method, and then you are storing it in an integer. While printing, you are typecasting it to char. Let's see the execution of this example in the Eclipse workspace. Now this is the complete example that we have seen, and the file is available here. Now let me run this program. So when I run this program, what you see? You see character A, because you have read the ASCII value, but you have printed the character value of this integer value. So A is being printed.